So, hello everyone. Continue from the previous video. We learn new word. The word Tuesday means hello. When you meet people in the first time, you can say Tuesday. And then you can introduce yourself or your name to the people that you meet. You can say Tuesday,ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Ratana. It means that hello, my name is Ratana. Let's say again. Tuesday, ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Ratana. Tuesday, ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Ratana. Now you learn a new word before going to the next sentence. Mokpi. From. Mokpi. From. Okay, let's repeat it. The sentence that we learned today. Tuesday, ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Ratana. Thank you. See you in the next videos.